Space is full of mysteries, some so bizarre that they challenge everything we know. From acid rain on Venus to a planet made of diamonds, here are 10 mind-blowing space facts that will leave you speechless. Stick around for the last one. It might change the way you see the universe forever. In space, no one can hear you scream. And that's not just a movie tagline, it's the truth. Space is a vacuum, meaning there's no air to carry sound waves. Unlike Earth, where sound travels through air or water, outer space is a silent void. Astronauts communicate through radios, but if you were floating outside a spaceship without a suit, you wouldn't hear a thing, not even your own breath. Venus is like a fiery hell, with surface temperatures hot enough to melt lead. But that's not all. Its thick, toxic atmosphere is filled with sulfuric acid clouds. It rains acid, but due to the extreme heat, the raindrops evaporate before they even reach the ground. Imagine a world where the sky literally burns everything it touches. Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun, has an incredibly slow rotation. It takes Mercury 176 Earth days to complete one full day, but only 88 days to orbit the Sun. That means a single day on Mercury is actually longer than its entire year. If you lived there, you'd celebrate your birthday before the sun even set once.